Hi students, so today we are going to be learning about different parts of the boat. So hopefully after this lesson you'll be able to correctly identify relevant parts of a sailboat and describe their basic function without the help of my help, the instructor. So, first off, can anybody tell me what the body of the boat is called, this whole part of the boat? Any guesses?
No.
So, this is called the hull. It's pretty much just the boat itself. And then there's labels and names for different parts of the boat. So can you tell me what the front of the boat is called?
The front.
No. Close. It's the front, but it has a special
bow.
Yeah, it's the bow. And does anybody know what the back of the boat is called?
No. The back?
It's called the stern. And then the left side of the boat. Can someone tell me what the left side of the boat is called?
The port.
Yes, it's called port. You can see on the sticker there. And then the right side of the boat is called starboard.
Oh, I was going guess port.
And it's important to know this because starboard is right of way. So if you're on a starboard tack, you have right of way over other boats. Okay, so next, can anyone tell me what this top edge of the boat is called?
No.
This is called the gunnel. So this is where you'll sit when you're sailing the boat. Usually up near the middle of the boat is where you'll sit. And then, can anybody tell me what this is called, this board?
Dagger board.
Yes, it's called a dagger board. And you can kind of remember because it kind of looks like a dagger. And this is in the middle of your boat. Can anybody tell me why the dagger board is important?
To hold up your flag.
No, it's just like this because it's up. It'd normally be in the water. But this is important as it helps your boat not to capsize and stops the boat from drifting when you're sailing. Next off, this other board here. You see this part is in the water, the board. This is called the rudder. And the handle attached to that is called the tiller. And then, can someone tell me what this is called? Any guesses?
No.
It's close to this name?
Pole.
No. It is a pole, but it's called the tiller extension. This is what you hold on to when you're sitting up in the middle of the boat here. The steer. The sail. Okay. Can anybody tell me what this is called? The sail. What has a specific name for it?
No.
It's called the mainsail, because it's your mainsail on your boat and your only sail. The sail is what moves your boat, as when the wind pushes off the sail, it propels you forward. Next. Can anybody tell me what this big metal pole is?
You know? No.
It's used to keeps the sail up in the air, holds it up. It's called the mast. And connected to the mast is a smaller pole, which its name kind of comes from. If you get hit with it, it makes what kind of noise?
Boom.
Yeah, it's called the boom. And then we have this is called the strip pole. This is a thinner pole that attaches to your sprit halyard and then to the top of your sail. And this is what will hold up your sail and give it shape. Alright, can anybody tell me what these red bags are called?
Airbags.
Yes, they're called airbags. And why are airbags important in your boat?
It keeps you floating.
Yeah, if your boat was to capsize or flip, these will help keep your boat afloat and not sink. And then next, here, we have this rope connected to a bunch of blocks in there. Do you know what this rope is called?
No.
This is called the main sheet, and this attaches to your boom to control your sail. This allows you to pull in or let out your sail for different points of sail. And then, lastly, here on the sail, we have these little strings attached to the sail. You guys know what these are called?
No.
These are called the ticklers. And when you're sailing, you want these to be flying straight back, as that means you're sailing proper point of sail.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thanks guys for coming up dressed as pirates for Pirate Theme Day. So we're going to play 2 sailboat part games. So the first game we're going to play is, you're going to have to match the names, parts of boats, to the picture of parts of boats.
Okay.
You guys do that?
Yeah.
And once you guys have got all of them correct, I will check in with you, and I'll give you a treasure map, and that treasure map will lead to a hidden treasure with special gems and chocolate.
Okay. So spread them out. Spread them all out so we can see all of them.
No, it's like two, like one for each person.
Oh.
So, let's get them all spread. So what's this called?
I don't know.
It's the sail, right? So it's the main sail. So that's the main sail. So like, what's the boat called? What's the body of the boat called? Starts with an H. Hull. Body of the boat is called a hull, right? And then, what is this called? This big metal pole that holds up the sail. What is that one called?
I don't know it.
Starts with an M. It's like,
Mass?
yeah. It's the mast. So, what's the left side of the boat called? It has the same. You know how left has 4 letters in it, right? And what other name has 4 letters in it?
This.
Port? Right, so that was left. So that means the other side, the right side, must be starboard, right? So then let's check here. And then what's the back of the boat called? Remember the back?
No.
Stern? Yeah, that's right. It's the stern. Alright, so look, this is the rope with the blocks, remember? And that helps control the main sail. So, yeah, main sheet. Now it's called the main sheet. And then, remember what holds up the sail to keep its shape? The small pole? Yeah, strip pole. And then what is the edge of the boat called? The edge, the top edge? It's called the gunnels, right? And then this tiller extension is like the long handle coming off the other handle, right? Like that? And then like that, right? Rudders that. Alright. That looks about good. That looks pretty good. It looks like you guys have done a great job. It looks like you've matched all the pictures to all the correct names. You guys have any questions?
What holds up the boat?
What holds up the boat?
Yes.
Water. Water. Boat floats on the
What about
water.
it sinks?
That's why I have the airbags. It won't sink. The boat's flat.
Oh.
Okay, so now you guys have earned the treasure map. You can go look for your treasure.
Okay.
Wow, we found the treasure box. Look at all this treasure.
Alright, so we're going to play another game. So this game is going to be, I'm going to yell out the name of a sailboat part, and you guys are going to try and draw it down. You guys are going to have like 45 seconds to do that, and if you guys are stuck or need help or anything, you can ask me. Alright? You guys are ready?
Yes.
So normally this would be done outside, like with chalk on like a driveway or like some cement or like a parking lot. But there's a lot of snow outside, so we're just gonna do it with markers on paper. Alrighty, so I'm gonna yell out the first boat part name right now.
Okay.
Hull. Yeah, that's correct. It's the boat. All right. You should get 1 point. Okay. Next one. Mainsail. Correct. It's the sail. All right. Next one. Mast. Correct. It's that. Boom. Remember the boom's the thing that you get if you get hit in the head? So it's like the one closer, right? Yeah, it's the big. Remember the boom? It's like this big one right there, like that? Yeah. Alright, next one. Ticklers. Remember ticklers are on the sail? On the sail of the boat? They're like that squiggly line. You're trying to draw the squiggly line? Right? Alright. Okay, next one. Dagger board. Remember, it's kind of like a dagger. It's like a big board. It goes in the center of the boat. Yeah, correct. Nice job. Alright, next one. Airbag. Remember, they help try and keep our boats afloat? There's like 3 of them in the boat. Alright, nice. Now let's do some direction of the boat. What is the bow of the boat? Where's that?
The front.
Nice. And what is the stern? It's the opposite of the bow?
The back.
Alright, nice. Alright, last one. What is the main sheet? Remember the main sheet controls our mainsail? The main sheet's that rope with the blocks. Remember that in the boat that controls the sail? Yeah, looks good. Alright. Seems as is the tie. You guys have both got 10 points. It seems you guys have really got a great understanding of boat parts.